Guess what? It's closing day, guys. What's going on? It's your girl, London Richie. Thank you for watching me at London Richie TV. And today I am taking you behind the scenes in some of my business and personal life. So if you do not know, I am a licensed real estate agent in the state of California and Georgia. I'm also a real estate investor, a business credit guru, a car business funding specialist, and so much more. So today I'm doing some really exciting things. So really quickly, I purchased a house using my business credit, none of my own money, none of my own credit, and today I am actually selling this house. So this was about 2 months ago when I purchased this house. I did a full renovation, well, a slight renovation, but I upgraded every single thing in this house, and I want to take you on a tour with me. So we're getting ready to head to the closing table. Before we do so, we are doing our final walkthrough. So come along with me so you can see my project. This is amazing. We upgraded this, and I will insert some clips and videos of the before so you guys can actually see what I did to this house. It's like my baby, and I really don't want to let it go because I'm so proud of it, but I'm gonna make a bag from it, so I'm super excited. Come along. So of course, back here is the garage. Back here is the backyard, of course. We upgraded the patio. It was like super, it had holes in it. It was crazy back here. And one of my favorite part is the fire pit. I think it's great for entertaining. So if you have a family, you have children, you can sit out here. They can actually play in the backyard. It's just so much entertaining space. So absolutely love that. And these windows is a vibe. So yes, the backyard is actually one of my favorite places. So come in. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. So this is the kitchen area. As you will see in the old videos and pictures, that the cabinets, the countertops, everything about this kitchen was completely different. So we upgraded it, white cabinets, everything, sink, which is so cute, granite countertops, vinyl floors, new appliances. The fridge should probably be here in the next 30 minutes or so. So this is a half bath, so bomb, so bomb. And I love this living room. I love the living room. Absolutely love the great fireplace as well. So honestly, if I didn't have a house already, I would probably have kept this house for myself because it's super amazing. It's nicely done. All you gotta do is move in. So look at the windows and let's get into the view. You can literally watch everything that's going on in the neighborhood from the front to the back of your house, and you can just add a curtain and close them out. So, another room for entertaining. So this could be like your sitting room, like little entertainment area. This would be like my super cute room that I make all cute and dainty, and I'll let nobody touch nothing in my room. That would definitely be that room. And this is like your dining room, cute dining room table, cute little layout. You can definitely choose to change out the lighting. You know, this is an investment home, so I just try to do something cute and dainty to give them a feel of, you know, what it should look like in this room. So yes, there is a 2-car garage, right? Yes. Which have a separate tub and shower ensemble going on real quick. Yeah, okay, exactly. So now this is another bathroom. We did granite and vinyl. So we basically kept the upgrades super consistent throughout the house as far as granite, vinyl, and white. It was super easy, simple rehab. This is another secondary bedroom, like a kid's room. Is a little bit more smaller in size. You definitely have the backyard view. You can even see into your neighbor. To do I purchased the property, did the complete rehab without using any of my own money. I literally used business credit for this entire process, and that's what makes it phenomenal. And not only that, I was able to serve as my agent, my own agent, on all sides of the transaction. From purchasing the property from the beginning, I served as my agent. I wrote my own contract. I negotiated my own purchase price. And as today, I'm not only the seller, but I'm also the seller's agent, representing myself. So this is like a super, super, super big pivotal milestone in my career and just in my life as a businesswoman. I just feel like I tapped into a different income stream. I'm in another tax bracket, and I'm also just growing my business, growing my knowledge, and growing the fundamentals. So I hope you guys are watching this video and you made it to this point. And if you feel any type of inspiration and this is something that you aspire to do, you need to go to progressoverfailure.com. I'll put the link below and get your ebook and learn what business credit is and learn how to start building your business credit profile the same way that I did. And that is a product that I created for you guys to start accessing this funding to do the same thing. I'm a 20-something-year-old girl boss, and I'm not doing nothing that nobody in the world, man, woman, felon, homeless, working mom, stay at home, that anybody can do this. You can do this from anywhere you are in the United States. If you are you have access to the US and it's funding, you can do this from another country and start building up your business credit however you choose. So come on. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video either. You gotta show me some love. And the red door was just like the added pop of flavor to this property, as well as like the gray accents. I did all the gray and the white trim that you see out here. I have painted, of course, by my contractors. And this is also a project that I manage from beginning to end on myself. Like project managers, or they may have partners or different things. Like I didn't have a partner, I didn't have one investor, I didn't have anything. I literally figured out how to build my business credit and just did this entire process by myself. I do have a mentor, of course, but outside of that, self-made, guys. So I just want to inspire everybody out there that you can do the same thing. So right now we're about to get in the car and head to the closing table. Guys, this is so exciting. We have made it to the closing attorney's office. We got to go upstairs. Super, super, super excited. I feel like a super duper girl boss in my 20s making these boss moves. Yeah, right? Let me know how I'm looking. Y'all get in the comments. Let me know if y'all like my little ensemble or whatever. Gotta put something cute on. So feel decent. My clothes. That. To you live from the closing attorney's office. I'm getting ready to make my way to the closing attorney's desk to pick up a 6-figure check. This is something that you can be doing, but you have not purchased my business credit ebook. So click the link below and get your ebook. Crazy? Hey guys, so right now we are live at the closing table. I am here representing myself as my own agent and selling my own property as the seller. Like I said, overall it has been a phenomenal experience. I am ecstatic to be here, and most importantly, it's time to get the coins. And I am making a substantial amount of money off this investment, and I intend to take this money and literally do this process over and over and over again until I become that 7-figure boss that I aspire to become. So I hope this inspires anybody out there, no matter where you are in the world, to do the same thing. Like, I'm not doing nothing that nobody can't do. I was a troubled teen, juvenile, felon, and so much more other things that we will get into later on in my channel as I expose who I am and where I come from. But I just want to add a little inspiration to you girl bosses and boss guys and men around the world. It don't matter how old you are. The moment you hit 18, you are an adult, and it's time to start planting the seeds for your family's generational wealth. Okay, guys? So this is what it's like to be at a closing table, whether you're the seller or the buyer. So I'm happy you guys got this experience with me. Get in the comments and let me know if you guys are enjoying this experience, and are you looking forward to your own personal experience. Okay?
So here's your part to take with you.
Thank you so much. Do you have a sign for a pig?
Yeah, sure.
We on.
We did it, Rich Gang. We finally closed. Super successful day. I'm excited. I'm excited for the next project. Hey guys, we did it! We sold our investment property. This is definitely a big milestone in my career. I'm super excited. I'm overjoyed. I feel hella blessed. So thankful. But the most important part of this is that I was able to make money without using any of my own money, any of my own credit. And I think this is the most phenomenal part about the entire process. Guys, you can be doing the same exact thing. Get your business credit ebook. Learn how to build business credit and learn financial literacy, guys. That's all it is. That's all it's about. And making boss moves, putting yourself in a different tax bracket. It don't matter how old you are, and again, it don't matter where you live. But I just want to thank you guys so much for watching my video and tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope this inspired many of you out there that you can do the same thing. And I hope you guys take the initiative to educate yourself and learn the fundamental tools so that you can start making power and boss moves, okay? So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my video. Follow me on all of my other social media platforms for free information on how you can be doing this as well. I love you guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.